my god, it's already nighttime. Today is Sunday, by the way, and usually I schedule my videos on Saturdays and Sunday. I schedule to do a vlog pala on Saturdays and Sunday, but yesterday I was so freaking busy, so that I did not have the time. Urusay naman to vlog. And today, hindi din ako nag-ano kasi I was in a hurry. We were in a hurry. So, ayan. So, we just went to outlet and grocery na din kami for this week. So, ayun, may sale sila. Grabe, bongga yung sale na nangyayari sa outlet, guys. Grabe kasi malapit na mag-autumn. So, summer sale, end of season sale. Ayan, so, ayun yung mga people ko. Pumunta kami ng Nike para bumili ng shoes sa mga bata. And I also bought some leggings doon sa Kanoren na Valor. So, I don't know if I'm going to vlog later, but maybe I will just continue this vlog on my next vlog. So, yun nga, like I've said that we went. Tabingi, bahala na. Tabingi kayo, okay lang guys, tabingi kayo. So, like I've said, we went to the outlet and marami yung sale. So, bumili kami. Bumili talaga. Wait lang. Adjust natin ng konti. Ayan. Okay na yan. So, I got babaan sa shoes, rubber shoes, kasi sabi ko sa kanila, dito na lang ako bibili ng rubber shoes nila pagdating namin dito sa Japan. Kasi mas mura yung mga rubber shoes. So, nag-sale yung Nike. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung kay Sashi kasi for the longest time, bet niya talaga yung etong colored na shoes na army green. Ayan. So, ito is very cheap. Ayan. Yung price niya, guys. And this one is called the Nike Epic React Fly Knit. Pang summer na mga shoes, yung mga yung breathable na shoes. Bagay na bagay to sa Pilipinas kasi mainit sa Pilipinas. Although, you need to be careful kasi anong tawag niyan? Mababasa siya pag ulan. So, maybe I'll just spray this first with yung kasi meron akong waterproof na spray. Tapos yung kay Baba, eto naman, pinili niya yung blue. May isa pa akong choice na binigay kay Baba, yung yung parang gray, dark gray, pero eto yung gusto niya. This one is very naka-sale talaga. Ayan yung price niya. Ayan. I don't know if you can see it, but ayan na yung price niya from Nike. And this one is called the Nike Odyssey React. Nike Odyssey React. Ito, yung tawag ng sapatos na to. Diba, bongga yung yung sale nila, guys. And I also went to Valor para bumili ng nila. Yung leggings, kasi maganda yung mga leggings dito. Makapal and not very pricey. Unlike sa Pilipinas, parang ang pangit ng leggings doon. Nag-shrink siya pag nilaban, but dito hindi siya nag-shrink. And then, hopefully, we are planning to go to UNIQLO as well kasi may mas maraming sale pa doon. But for now, hindi kami nakapunta kasi kinulang kami ng time. So, eto yung binili ko from ayan, Valor para kay Sashi. Leggings. Wala din bulsa sa harapan. Basta leggings, jeggings, ganyan. Para sa school nila. Kasi comfortable to. Gusto ni Sashi to. Tapos, ayan. Tatlo from there. Parasing sa akin dati. This one is mura lang. 670 yan. Asa na ba yung price? Nawawala yung price, guys. Ayan o. 670 yan. Itong dalawang to. And then, eto naman is mura lang din. 970 yan na din. I don't know if you can see that. And then, may binili din ako. Pumunta din ako ng Sinamura. Kasi may binili din akong underwear doon. And then, ayan. Yung sa Shimamura naman, eto. Parang parehas din yung yung pants ko. Kasi, mas comfortable, mas bibilis tong isuot sa school. Kailangan gusto nila sashi at baba ng ganitong type, yung jeggings na type na pants. And then eto is much cheaper kasi 900 yen lang. Yung sa Valor siya 920, pero sa ganito yen lang naman yung difference nila. Ayan diba? This is M size. So I also got yung pangbahay, or pwede naman tong sa labas, yung mga ganito lang. Yung kasi naka-sale na to, it is only from 700 yen naging 300 yen na lang kasi nga patapos na yung summer. So I think that's it. Yan yung binili ko for today. Ang init. And then tomorrow it's going to be work na naman. And I got some underwear. TMI. Ayun guys, so yun lang yung natin, and I'm just going to continue this vlog the next vlog, baka sa Saturday na, kasi kinulang talaga ako ng time, and magpa-plancha pa ko. I already prepared my lunch for the entire week this week, so yung kailangan ko na lang gawin is to iron the clothes, yung mga susuotin ko for this week. So hopefully I will see you the next time.
Few inches later.
Hi guys, friendships, good morning and welcome to my vlog. Oh, today is Sunday, September 22 already. We're almost done with September guys. Excited lang, no? It's a little cold already, but naka-sleeveless ako kasi medyo okay pa naman. Okay pa siya, pero medyo chilly na talaga compared sa yung mga last week. So I don't know if you notice, tayo naka-eyelashes. I don't know, I just decided to apply lashes kasi feel ko lang, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-eyelashes. Pero I don't know, kasi parang there's something, parang biglang may something here that is bugging me. Pero ayan, tapos dumikit pa yung pilik mata ko dito, but from afar hindi naman siya masyadong obvious. Pag lang close up, I look so weird. Pasensya na if you could see my bra and my kilikili kasi hindi ako na. So I'm just waiting for a client today. I was planning to vlog yesterday, but I got so busy. May client ako, 4 clients yesterday, so natapos ako gabi na, and I didn't have the chance na to vlog, kaya ngayon na lang siguro. It's so gloomy outside, tingnan nyo, diba? Pa-autumn na guys, malamig-lamig na. Yung temperature during the day 25 na, no? It's 25 degrees Celsius, I guess. Yan, medyo malamig-lamig na yung 25, no? So, yeah, baka pag alis namin mamaya, I'm gonna change costume kasi baka hindi ko kayanin to guys. Lamigin pa naman ako, you know? Lamigin! So, I'm just waiting. I don't know if they will come. Let's see. Hintayin na lang natin if they will come. Because it's ding 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 ding. It's like, 1 minute na lang. May mga instances kasi na yung mga pangyayari iba na hindi mo talaga ma-prevent ganyan ng mga sitwasyon. So kung hindi matutuloy, yay! Magdi-date na lang kami ni Rocky. Rocky. Kasi busy din ako yesterday. So okay lang din na mag-relax today. Ayan. So tomorrow will be Monday and walang work. So I don't know if it would vlog, but oh my god guys, I'm so busy. Busy-busyhan lang yung peg natin, no? Kasi I have a lot of videos to edit. Yeah, I have a lot of videos to edit. Last week, I didn't have the chance to upload videos. Even isa lang kasi I was busy and hindi na kanaya ng aking energy. Wala na talaga energy. As in, super naubos talaga. So, hopefully, I could edit. May time ako bukas. Tsaka, hopefully ngayon, I'm planning to edit today till 12 midnight. Para tomorrow, I will be relaxed. Hopefully, magawa ko yan. So, Ayan, oh my God, ang haba talaga. Kasi usually if I wear this blouse, meron akong sando. Pero wala akong black na sando. Parang pangit naman pag yung white na sando yung gagamitin ko, no? Kaya you could see all up to here. My kilik. So, ayan. Hopefully, I will be seeing you all later. Friends, I'm back. And now it's time for lunch. Lunch natin is ito. Breakfast. Anong tawag nito? Tinapay, sliced bread, butter, and cheese. So, it's already 1 p.m. Ano ba yan? Bakit ba ganyan yung pagkasalita ko, guys? That's weird. So, tapos na yung client ko today and siguro hindi na matutuloy yung isa pa mamaya. Parang yung aking eyelash dito, bumuka. Oh my God, I need to fix this other lash kasi naluha ako nung ako kanina. Can you see? Kasi, di ba, as you can see, hindi ko siya nilagay dito sa top, dito lang sa baba. Ano ba? Dito underneath. Kasi mas natural looking siya pag ito underneath nilagay. So, ayan. So, gloomy pa rin sa labas. I don't know if kung lalabas kami ni Rocky. We'll see. I wanna go to UNIQLO. Asa ta magadto sweet? Ato tag-recycle? Or we will go to recycle shop with, I don't know. But I really wanted to go. Tapos I also wanted to go to UNIQLO. UNIQLO. Tapos sabi niya, hindi daw pwede kasi electric car. Hindi aabot yung electric car. Tapos hindi pwede mag-charge anywhere. Parang gutom lang ako. No? Nagluto pala si Rookie ng egg. Oh. Ayan, for me. Sabi niya, do you want something? How sweet naman ni Rookie. Tapos meron din akong coffee. Because coffee is life. So good. Masarap. Hindi ko na iniinom yung aking coffee ko kasi tinitagyawat ako ni coffee ko. Pag iniinom ako ni coffee ko. So, just coffee and cream, no sugar. Kasi medyo may, matamis naman yung konti yung sugar. Yung cream pala. Ayun. So, I'm talking weird again. I don't know why. Yeah, hopefully my plan for today is like going to recycle, tsaka sa UNIQLO, and then I'm also planning to do an editing, and maybe a little, I don't know, I wanted to film, pero meron pa naman akong I wanted to do my review na, final review on yung ginagamit ko sa aking face right now, pero kasi it's like, plano ko is like 3 weeks lang, pero I think it's more than 3 weeks already that I've been using it, and I don't know. Am I gonna say it right now? Basta. And I wanted to share to you the result kung okay ba siya sa akin. Ay, hindi. Ayun. Ang lamig ko ng run. It's already 3 minutes and I'm gonna see you later.
The next day.
Friends, good morning and welcome in today's vlog. I'm so early here. Huh? Wow. You can't take me picture though. So, nagpipicture muna kami. Today is September 23, by the way. We're almost done with September, but we are just waiting. We are here pala sa Nagoya. Still in Nagoya Station, and we're just waiting for Rookie's nephew. Kasi imimit namin siya kasi may pinadala kami sa kanya, but hindi ko alam kung dumating na ba yung train nila because galing sila Osaka. So, nandito kami sa Nagoya and they're from Osaka. Dito sila ng Osaka. So, imimit namin sila dito. So, si Rookie is looking for hotels there. Kasi, ewan ko sa kanya. So, it is still pretty early. It is 8:40 in the morning. Today is Monday, by the way. But today is holiday, kaya wala kaming pasok. Timing din na imimit namin yung yung pamangkin ni Rookie dito. So, ayan. So, I didn't have time to do my hair, guys. Yeah. I don't feel like waking up so early. Nag-alarm ako mga 6, and then I started to move mga 6:20 na kasi I was so tired. I have 4 clients last Saturday and yesterday, so I am pretty tired. Ang ganda ng weather today. It's a little rainy. When we left the apartment, it is really raining. And dito naman hindi pa, but I brought with me an umbrella because hindi natin alam kung lalakas ba ulan or what not, diba? Ayun. So, I'm excited to go there. Mamaya pa mag-open. Nandito kami sa anong tawag nito? Takashi. Merong mga branded na ano din dyan. Mga stuff makeup, lahat branded bags, lahat. So, I'm excited kasi may MAC din dyan, Nor, Chanel, Bobbi Brown, ayan. Hopefully, makapunta ako dyan sa loob, no? So, I'm gonna see you later! Ito pala yung ginagawa namin sa work, guys. Yung Excel na, ano, pangit naman ang aking, na eyebrow. Ayan, oh. This is, how much is this one? Merong price to, eh. Ayan, oh. 1,450. Ay, 1,000 lang yan. Oh my God.
Kanang dili sila bumba. Kunwari Pilipino, tagal na
Dili dumog. Hi guys. Oh, this is where... Uy! Garo, lagi ni Rookie. Ay, why you make me dizzy? Para pa naman akong nag-dizzy. So,
yun na, ni ka ng bangko siguro si maintenance ba?
we're here. We're home. Pala.
Tuyo kayong dagan.
Oh, maaba.
Oo. Kung ko na nakutuyo Kamay kaya kung yatak
Don't yatak it because it makes me... So, we're back from Nagoya. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi...
Countdown niya ato ta Jimmy.
Yeah. So, we are mag 2:30 pero kumain kami ng konti lang. Bumili kami ng onigiri sa train. Sa train, hindi doon. Tapos
Ano sa train?
kasi ang daming tao doon sa mga restaurant doon. Hindi kami makakain. So, we just decided na umuwi na lang tapos bili ng konting makain. Tapos, and now we're on our way to Joyful para mag-lunch. It's 2:30 na. I feel so tired. Yeah, but I had coffee. Yung okashin doon sa Nagoya ang init-init. Tapos dito naman sa sa amin, it's so cloudy and umuulan. It's so gloomy pala. Bukas work na naman. So, after this, we are going to Uniqlo kasi magtitingin-tingin kami ng sale kasi patapos na yung summer. So, marami nang summer sale. End of summer, end of season sale pala. Guys, we're here at the restaurant. And guess what? Ano na naman yung kakainin ko? Hindi na ako nagsawa. Ito pa rin. Ayan. Namin nabuta doon. Gusto ko sana ng curry pero konti lang yung yung parang meat. Tapos yung isa naman yung katsu pero hindi ko din alam kung mauubos ko din. So, ito na lang. Ayan. Kain tayo!